For opening the second showroom, and under lab grown diamonds, I've always been keen and very curious as to what it is. So done my research, and real diamonds go, lab grown diamonds go. I think it is cost effective, but other than that, cut, clarity, carats, and the setting, there is absolutely no difference. And I placed a real diamond ಮತ್ತೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಇಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ and the lab grown diamond shines more sometimes, and it looks beautiful, and especially daily wear anta bandaga every woman has that, you want to wear tennis bracelets and all of that, and everyday pieces when we go to lab grown diamonds, it's very very affordable. Other than that, as a bride, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ದೇ ಟು ಗೋ ರೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್, ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೊಸೆಷನ್ ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಜುವೆಲ್ರಿನ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅಂತ. So, but now with lab grown diamonds and the bridal collection that Tie-Dye has come up with, I think they can own a piece of diamond jewelry for their wedding and keep it with them, and then they also come with certifications and authentications. So you can come back to the store and then exchange it and get anything else that you want. So I think lab grown diamond is the way to go. So congratulations to the entire team for launching this right from the main road. It's accessible first, that is the most important thing. The very very beautiful showroom that you guys have got in collections, including the Mandar and Reddy. So congratulations, Iggy Tatake. Innashtu showrooms ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರಲಿ. All the very best.